In class the other day, we were talking about the minimum requirements for your website, and we talked about having a good banner, a picture that attracts attention, some text to introduce your website, and a video down below here. Well, let's say that you want to add some more information, but there's a limit to how much you can actually type on your own site, and that's where we can use the process called linking. And so what I did was I went ahead and I thought to myself, well, if people want to see more video trailers than this one right here, where can they go to find that? Of course, they can go to Google and Google that in, but I found something more specific on a website called IMDb, which is the International Movie Database. And if I want to bring people here, all I have to do is copy the link to the site, select the URL, copy it, go back to my website or web page, and click on wherever I want to add the link. And I'm going to put it here where it says here. If I double click on it, go to this little paperclip looking device here and click on it and paste in the link right here, apply it, and you can see it now is underlined and will take people to that website. Similarly, if I go over to Pages and I choose Main Characters, okay, let's say that I want to give people more information about Luke Skywalker, who was one of the main characters in the movie series. Similarly, I opened up I did a search for Luke Skywalker in Wikipedia. I'm going to copy the address, go back to the web page, and click on Luke Skywalker himself on this title, and add a link, paste it in, and apply. And that's all there is to it. One other thing I'll touch on while we're in this video, if you go up and click on Themes, I think some of you have probably discovered this already, but you don't have to just stay with the one theme that you started with. You can choose any one of these themes to give your website a different kind of flavor, different kind of character. You can choose the font, style, the text, the color, all of that good stuff. So dig in and have some fun.